Stop manually hunting for LinuxCNC updates. I'll show you how to set up Debian Trixie so it auto-updates LinuxCNC to the latest version while keeping your system rock solid. It will take 5 minutes, 3 terminal commands, so let's do this. Here's the issue. Debian Stable, or Trixie, locks LinuxCNC at version 2.94 for years. But Debian testing gets new releases like 2.97 within weeks. We need to pull LinuxCNC from testing and everything else from stable. And the solution? It's APT Pinning. First, we need to check which sources format you're using. So type this, ls/etc apt/sources list D Debian sources. So you can see here now that we found that file. So it says that we're using the latest DEB 822 format for our sources. So let's now just edit that file. Sudo genie. Select this text here that says Trixie. And change this one, paste it in again. Change this to testing. And also I'll change Trixie to stable. Deb sources we don't really care about, we just want the program. Trixie updates, we'll leave that where it is. So we can save that. So if you're using the old sources.list format, then we need to do this a little bit differently. So we'll go sudo genie again, apt, etc. Now I'm using the new format and sources list is here in a backend format. And the same story, we need to just change this to testing. And I will change Trixie to stable for good luck. None of the rest matters. Save that, exit it. So now we're going to set up the APT pinning so let's create this file. Etc. apt preferences.d /linuxcnc.pref. The file name doesn't really matter, but we'll use that so we know what it is when we come and look next time. And you can see I've already created this before. So I'll just uncomment these lines. So what happens, it says here now that for everything, we're going to get it from stable and it has a priority of 900. But for the package, anything starting with LinuxCNC, we're going to get it from testing and it has a priority of 990. So the highest priority wins. So we can save that. And we can now sudo apt update to refresh our caches. We can see now that apt is looking for the testing. So, done. Now, we need to remove the old version of LinuxCNC, which is from version 2.94. Sudo apt remove LinuxCNC uspace. We'll do that. Done. So sudo apt install LinuxCNC uspace. You can see now it's pulling in 2.97. So we'll just wait for this to complete. There we have it. Now, if we type in LinuxCNC now, we should see 2.97 come up. Yep, there we go, 2.97. Let's run a configuration. 2.97 come up on the screen, and help and about. We now have LinuxCNC 2.97. Perfect. So here's the magic. When LinuxCNC 2.98 or even 3.0 hits Debian testing in sometime in the future, maybe in a few months, all you need to do is just type sudo apt upgrade . And if there is a version 2 install of LinuxCNC, it will just get installed, as simple as that. So a quick warning here. If you're running MESA Ethernet cards on Trixie, test things thoroughly before upgrading LinuxCNC on a live machine, because some users have reported latency issues or network latency, so check my previous video for details. So for parallel ports and PCI MESA cards, you're good to go. So that's it. Auto updating LinuxCNC to Debian on Trixie. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment. I want to know if you're going to run Trixie or you're sticking with Bookworm. I read all the comments, so see you in the next video.